ready to bake? Okay, let's get ready for learning about what we need to do today. Can you show me your listening ears, your looking eyes? Can you show me calm bodies and calm hands? Closed lips for listening, and that will help your ears do great listening and your brains to grow bigger and get all the information you need to know what to do today. Show me your great listening skills. Okay, if you listened to my story yesterday, The Girl, the Bear and the Magic Shoes, then you will have seen some shops in the beginning of the story. Josephine went to buy some new shoes, and the bear went into the shoe shop instead of the fish shop. Can you see any more shops? I can see the fish shop. Here it is. There is a bookshop. There is a bakery selling bread, and there's a cake shop. Here it is. Look at those yummy cakes. So today we are going to make some more cakes for the cake shop. We're going to make some lovely lemon cakes. Let's find out what we need. You are going to need a bowl. You will need a whisk. If you don't have an electric whisk, you can just use a wooden spoon and beat really hard. You will need some cake cases, and you will need a small spoon, and you will need a grater like this. Okay, what ingredients will we need today? We are going to need some sugar, some flour, some margarine or butter, and you are going to need some eggs, and you are going to need some baking powder, and you will need some lemon. A juicy, sour lemon. Okay. So, first, you need to grate the rind from your lemon. Grate, grate, grate. This is what we call the rind. It's the peel or the skin. The rind of the lemon. Grate it. Turn it round and rub it onto the grater. When you've finished, you have to cut your lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. So grate the rind and juice the lemon. Put it to the side so you can use it later. Next, you are going to whisk the sugar and the margarine together. Whisk it, whisk it. Now, it will be very yellow to start with, but then it will start to go a paler colour. That's how you know you're doing good whisking. Next, you need to crack your eggs and whisk them in. So get ready, knock, 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 push in your thumbs and open the door. That's how we crack our eggs. Knock, 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 push in your thumbs, open the door. You'll need to do 3 eggs today and whisk them in. Then we're going to stir in the flour and the baking powder and the lovely lemon juice. Stir it in gently, not too hard, otherwise the flour will go whoosh in the air. Next, you're going to get your small spoon and your cases, and you need to use a digger spoon and then a sweepy finger to put the mix into the cases. We dig in our spoon, get a nice big one, a big scoop, and sweep it into the case with your finger. Show me your digger spoon and a sweepy finger. Don't just do this with your spoon, the mix will go everywhere. Dig in your spoon and sweep it into the case with your finger. Just one, show me. Very good. And finally, I'm going to put it in the oven to bake. And you should have some delicious lemon cakes. Now, today, when we make our lemon cakes, it would be a good time to investigate how things taste. Lemons are very sour. If you're brave, you can get your finger and taste a little bit of lemon juice. What does it make your face do? Ooh, it's sour. We have some things that taste sour, some things that taste salty, and some things that taste sweet. Can you find any things in your house, in your kitchen, that taste salty or sweet? Maybe some crisps, maybe some chips would taste salty. Maybe candy, sweets or cakes or biscuits taste sweet. See if you can taste a little bit and taste the difference, and then have a little taste of the lemon to taste something sour. Be brave. Send me some pictures if you did it. Have fun investigating sweet, salty, and sour today. And I'll see you next week for some more Cooking Kids.